Welcome to the 5th episode of Secrets of Meditation, a guide for discovering the joys of meditation to achieve peace and calmness. After 4 video episodes, I hope that you have learned much about meditation. In this 5th video, we will discuss the various benefits which one can attain through meditation. The root of the meditation process lies in its effects. People practice meditation with the mind that meditation will bring peace, harmony, relief from stress and other positive changes in their lives. No doubt, it is the core true purpose of meditation. In this chapter, we will learn about the following effects of meditation, in detail. 1. Curing insomnia through meditation. 2. Gaining relaxation. 3. Weight loss through meditation. 4. Stress reduction. 5. Meditation for worst smoking habits. 6. Healing through meditation. 7. Managing ADD, attention deficit disorder, through meditation. In this technological era of hustle and bustle, we find it difficult to have time to spend on ourselves and explore our inner selves. Some of us even do not have enough time to consult our physicians when we become sick. People usually consider meditation as a long and time-consuming process. We should be clear about the fact that meditation has variety of types and methods, which we can follow easily. Now, we know that meditation started from Eastern region while Western region had adapted it from East. When one culture adapts something from another culture, it does not simply pick up the thing and implement on its people. There is a lengthy procedure of cultural adaptation. When the West adapted meditation from the East, they took a great deal of time in conducting researches to investigate its effectiveness. Moreover, when meditation moved from culture to culture, it kept on changing its forms time to time. Every group added or subtracted methods according to their needs. So, it is not difficult for anyone to get relaxed by an effective 10 minutes meditation practice. 1. Curing lack of sleep through meditation. Meditation practices can be made helpful in treating lack of sleep, also known as insomnia. It has been observed that meditation affects the root causes of insomnia, instead of eliminating the obvious symptoms. Meditation cures insomnia through relief from stress. Mental stress during the day prevents an individual from sound sleep. The purpose of meditation is to eliminate such stress. In this way, meditation contributes to sound and deep sleep. A person can get several other benefits by taking proper sleep. It has been observed that interpersonal relationships of an individual can improve after healthy sleep. Insomnia produces irritability in an individual, and he remains unable to show positive feelings for others. In this way, curing insomnia using meditation can sketch several other positives on the life of an individual. 2. Gaining relaxation. Meditation plays an immense role in providing relaxation to an individual. A single meditation session can be equivalent to a full night's sleep. People who do not discover enough time to sleep for certain reasons can be benefited from meditation. Meditation is helpful in lowering down blood pressure as well. It reduces stress, which reduces probability of heart attacks. In this era, everyone is concentrating on achieving numerous goals in daily life, which is producing much burden. Meditation induces self-worth and confidence in individuals, and they take life's hurdles as challenges to overcome. Meditation induces patience in an individual. This patience enables an individual to tolerate obstacles in occupational and personal life. 3. Weight loss through meditation. There are several reasons for gaining weight. Some people are habitual of eating under hectic situation. After taking meditation session regularly, they don't feel the desire for food. Imagination techniques are also helpful, if one uses these techniques along with casual meditation sessions. These techniques involve perceiving oneself as a smart person. Scholars believe that a person has potential to transform himself into the personality, which he thinks that he should be like that. Once a person makes a self-image which is better than current personality, he tends to struggle for that new image consciously and unconsciously. 4. Stress reduction. Stress reduction is the greatest benefit that an individual can get from meditation practices. Meditation reduces level of stress and brings peace and harmony in an individual's life. If a person remains in stress continuously, then he can suffer from many physiological problems such as heart attack and ulcers. Continuous stress weakens our immune system, and any disease can affect body easily. Meditation can be a blessing to get rid of stress through natural way, without using medication. 5. Meditation for worst smoking habits. Smoking is a reaction of stress. When a person becomes incapable of tolerating stress, this stress breaks his defense mechanisms. As a result, an individual tries to manage his stress through harmful ways, and smoking is one of those ways to release tension. If we control the underlying stress, we will be able to control the resulting effects. Furthermore, long meditation sessions produce tolerance in individuals. This can be helpful in tolerating the desire for tobacco. 6. Healing through meditation. Empirical researches show that meditation plays an important role in healing of different psychological and physiological disorders. It is helpful in treating psychological trauma, anxiety, stress, depression, hypertension, and insomnia. It also affects physiological processes such as, increases strength, maintains blood pressure, enhances concentration, develops self-confidence, and reduces panic attack. 7. Managing ADD, attention deficit disorder, through meditation. Empirical researches show that practicing meditation can be helpful for people who suffer from attention deficit disorder and attention deficit hyperactive disorder. Brain images have shown brain impairments in people with ADD and ADHD. Transcendental meditation produces balance through balancing neurotransmitters in brain. This balance reduces the symptoms of hyperactivity, impulsivity, and deficiencies in attention. We will discuss on transcendental meditation in the next episode. If you like this video, subscribe to this channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss the next video.